How would you like to clone the exact same system that makes me over $100,000 every single month? Hey, Glynn here. I don't want to waste your time, so I'm going to get straight to the point. In just a few seconds, I'm going to hand you the same software and system that I've been using for over 7 years now that has enabled me to earn a consistent 6 figures online in internet commissions every month like clockwork. Yes, that adds up to millions of dollars in my affiliate accounts, and the best part about this system is that I've been able to do it without creating complicated websites, without creating YouTube videos or getting on camera, without posting on social media sites like TikTok or Instagram, without running an Amazon or Shopify store, of course without trading Bitcoin or crypto, and without doing anything you may have tried and failed with in the past. We're also doing this starting with a zero upfront budget. We're not shipping products or drop shipping from China, and even better, you don't need any experience, technical skills, or internet marketing knowledge to get the same results that we're achieving with the 100K commission system. What I'm presenting to you today is a 100% recession-proof, newbie-friendly system that has enabled us to generate thousands of dollars every single day from the comfort of our own homes. Yes, this is an absolutely perfect system to tap into right now as we enter the latest job-crushing recession, which is causing havoc across the world. Please allow me to introduce to you the 100K commission system that will allow you to create, launch, and sell your own highly profitable digital products online. Products that have worked for us 24/7 to bring in traffic, leads, commissions, and profits inside our business all day long. This system is a complete game changer, and what it does is so simple yet so powerful to build our online business, creating, launching, and selling digital products online that generate hundreds of thousands of dollars in pure profit per month. And it's not just me having incredible success with the 100K commission system. I'm now really proud to say I've got a network of members across the globe all getting great results just like myself, which means I know that you'll also be able to do this too. But before you do get your hands on the system, I want to take you back to June 2015. Now, after getting into over $100,000 of debt, trying every single make money online method out there, I was about to give up on my dreams of becoming successful online. But that was until I stumbled across an advert on YouTube where two well-known affiliate marketing gurus were promoting an event they were about to host in Malaysia. Now, at this high-level seminar, they were going to reveal their secrets and formulas for creating, launching, and selling highly profitable digital products online, and then how to put the whole system on autopilot so they barely had to work to make thousands of dollars in pure profit every single month. Now, I'm not authorized to reveal exactly who they are, but these guys were genuine affiliate marketing superstars. They were top-level marketers that knew exactly what they were doing, and I wanted their knowledge so that I could also earn 7-figure money. Now, using the last bit of money on my credit card, I decided to get into more debt and go for it. I booked a plane ticket, a hotel, and a ticket to the event. It was a long 23-hour trip that involved 2 uncomfortable flights, but I finally landed in Malaysia. And I don't want this to sound cliche, but this event actually changed my life. I got a rare inside peek behind the curtains and saw exactly how the big dogs are making millions online. I finally had my hands on a real genuine system that could make me money not just today or tomorrow, but for years to come. At this event, I was given the blueprint that has since been responsible for me generating over $10 million in online sales through the power of creating and selling my own digital products online. Name anyone in this industry: Ryan Dice, Neil Patel, Russell Brunson, John Crestani, and all the rest. All these super affiliates have one thing in common. They all create, they all launch, and they sell their own digital products online. In fact, they have multiple digital products online, making them money 24/7, 365 days a year. The more products they create, the more money they make. It really is as simple as that. Now, I came home really jet lagged, but incredibly inspired. It took me about 12 days to digest the information and to create my first digital products online. But when I launched this product, I made over $43,000 in just 7 days. And a huge chunk of that money was deposited straight into my bank account. You see, these guys didn't just give me a blueprint to create my own products. They gave me a whole system. A system that allows us to make a ridiculous amount of money, not just from the initial product sales, but also from sending emails, promoting other people's digital products, promoting high-ticket products that pay us over $1,000 a pop, and also how to get other people to do all of the selling for us. And today is your lucky day because I want to give you a clone of this system the 100K commission system that makes us over $100,000 every single month. It's an automated done-for-you money-making system, which makes us $100,000 every single month in online commissions, creating, launching, selling, and promoting digital products online. Now, I came home from the Underground seminar in Malaysia, started to create my own digital products online, and I've been doing exactly the same thing ever since that day in 2015, all the way through to the present day, and I now want to let you guys in on the action right now so you can also tap into the same system even if you don't have any experience in creating and selling digital products online, or if you've never made a dime online before. It does not matter. The 100K commission system levels the playing field so you can also get the same results as the internet marketing gurus. This is affiliate marketing like you've never seen it before because it's never ever been done like this before. Starting from scratch with a zero budget, we're able to make thousands of dollars in pure profit every single month with our digital products that the 100K commission system creates for us on complete autopilot. All you've got to do is grab your license to my 100K commission system, add in a few details into the system, plug in your affiliate links, and the rest is 100% done for you. You see, as millions of people have been working from home ever since the start of the global pandemic, the demand for online courses and digital products has exploded. And whilst my team and I have been creating and selling digital products for years, over $10 million worth, the digital product market is 10 times bigger than it was just a year or so ago. In fact, it's worth hundreds of billions of dollars, meaning anyone who's prepared to make their own product online right now can make an absolute fortune. And that's exactly why I want to give you my 100K commission system that puts you directly in front of the action. With this system, my team and I earn thousands of dollars from sales of our own digital products, in addition to earning commissions promoting other people's products, and we also earn high-ticket $1,000 commissions with the 100K triple turbo strategy that you'll discover real soon. This is the same product creation system that saved my bank account ever since I created my first product way back in 2015, all the way through to the present day as we battle the latest job-crushing recession. Now, whilst I have tried and failed with hundreds of other online money-making strategies, nothing has generated as much money on a consistent basis as the product creation system you'll discover inside the 100K commission system. Without any expenses, funnels, paid traffic, or hiring staff, I'm consistently making over $100,000 online with this system. And this system has allowed me to travel the world first class and stay in 5-star hotels, and I've even been able to purchase a $1 million apartment in one of the most expensive boroughs of London. So if you're sick and tired of buying junk products and softwares that teach you outdated methods that simply don't work anymore, now is the perfect time to secure your license to the 100K commission system so you can live your dream life. We've done all the work for you to ensure you're as successful as all the rest of my members, and we're even gonna set up the system for you. All you've got to do is plug in your details into my system, insert your affiliate link, and watch the magic system and software go to work. I want to help you succeed as fast as possible, but I know exactly what it's like to be struggling trying to make your first dime on the internet, which is why I'm handing you my $100,000 commission system right now. I've actually helped countless people from every corner across the globe make their first sale online with the 100K commission system, including these guys right here.
I just wanted to come in here and quickly send a quick shout out to my good friend Glynn Kosky. Once again, you've come out with another excellent product. I'm gonna tell you right now, if it wasn't for the help and the money that I gained from purchasing your products, I would not have a small business right now. So I gotta tell you, I appreciate the fact that there's an honest affiliate marketer, mentor, and that's what you are. You're a mentor to people that are just starting out.
The last 3 days, I've got 10 sales. I've never done that before in all the years I've been doing this stuff. So I highly recommend Glynn and his courses.
I had been active only a few days, and as soon as I started to follow Glynn's instruction, the money started to come in.
So the last 30 days, I've made $1,555. Look at the last 7 days here, $917.
Glynn promised that I would be generating income. I've generated nearly $300 in the week since completing the setup videos.
A big, huge thank you to Glynn. I've been using his products, and I just want to say that I have not found products like this that can instantly make you money and continue to make you the residual income that you've probably been looking for.
And I just want to give a quick testimonial and a quick shout out to my man Glynn. I want to say, brother, thank you for what you've done. In under 4 days, I was already start making $100 a day. So my man, I love what you're doing. Peace and love. And brother, keep doing the good work.
And that's just a small selection of the people that I've helped generate their first sale with the 100K commission system. The bottom line is this: the 100K commission system works and is something you need right now. It's an automated system to create, launch, and sell your own digital products online, and it's 100% done for you. Now, you probably